See what's in there.
What's a donut?
What's in there, Grace?
This is a donut.
Let her open it, Daniel.
Look out of the way, Daniel.
Let her open it,
Get
okay?
out of the way, please.
Let's do it anyway.
Stand on this side so Daddy can see her.
I said, nope, I don't know what it is.
You're supposed to be picking up those pieces of the puzzle.
We've got to take one of these.
Yeah, you need some help? You need some help?
Here.
There it goes. What's it? Pull it out. What is that? Pull it out. Pull it out. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you did that. What is that? What is that? Is that a doll? Wow. Don't take it from her. Play with it with her. Oh, and Grace had a card too.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I should help her open it, huh? You help her open it up, the box? Let me get some scissors.